If you're using Manychat, you probably saw that they decreased the credits for their free plan from 1,000 contacts per month to 25 contacts. That's basically nothing if you want to use it, so I want to show you another option. It's called Meet Alto, and it lets you automate your DMs on Instagram for free with many more credits. So in this video, I'm going to show you how it works, how to set it up from scratch, and how it compares with Manychat, so you can see what you're actually getting for free. And stick around to the end because there's just one part of the setup which I think it's very useful for turning your comments and DMs into leads. I'll show you that once we have the basic automation running. Let's get into it. So with Manychat, they used to have a free plan at 1,000 contacts per month, but they recently decreased it to 25 contacts per month. And this is their 25 active contacts per month, meaning if one person triggers your DM or your comment, then the contact will stay on that contact list forever and then take that 25 to 24 contact spot, right? So even if they don't contact you again, they still stay on your list and you have to manually delete them to free up another contact spot. So if you're starting out or you're running a page you want to test out commented DMs, 25 contacts per month is basically nothing, right? Because you can burn that out in one post. And what they also offer is connect any 2 channels, up to 4 basic automations, 1 user, 1 basic unified inbox, self-serve support, meaning you can't really email or contact their support. You have to go to their help center to do self-serve support, right? And it also includes Manychat branding in your comments and DMs. So with this, their annual plan, their cheapest month is $14 a month, which turns around to $29 a month for their monthly plan. And what this gives you is unlimited custom automations, 2 users, a basic inbox and organization and reminders, email support, and no Manychat branding. And this also only gives you 250 contacts per month, right? Which is only 10 times more, which isn't that much because if you're starting out and you're growing on Instagram, 250 contacts per month to comment and DM isn't a lot at all because one post can get up to 250 comments or even more, right? And if you're posting every single day, then you're going to break out of this limit super soon. So I want to show you another option, which is much cheaper than Manychat and also offers 2 to 5 times more credits than Manychat as well. So this option is called Meet Alto. So what Meet Alto offers is for their free plan at $0 a month. They offer up to 1,000 contacts per month, an all-in-one social inbox that you can connect to your Facebook and Instagram profiles. Keep in mind that TikTok is also coming out. They give you free integrations to Klaviyo, Kit, Beehive, Zapier, and even more. And the Alto branding is removed. So with their free plan, you can use it like a paid plan as well. And with their free plan, they offer up much more credits than Manychat's basic plan at $14 a month, which only includes 250 contacts a month. But however, this doesn't offer any AI agents or any B2C CRM. And at their cheapest base plan, which is $29 a month, they offer 2,500 contacts. And the difference between Meet Alto's contacts and Manychat's contacts is this. So Manychat offers active contacts, right? So for example, if a person opts in right here, then they will take that spot forever until you delete them or remove them from your list. If they opt in into your list, then this contact will stay forever and then they can take up other people's spots. But what Meet Alto does is that for 25 contacts a month, this only targets 1 trigger. What this means is that you can contact way more people without having to delete or remove people from your list, because Meet Alto doesn't keep people on your list. It only triggers by per trigger, by per comment, or per DM trigger. You can get up to way more contacts per month and also be more flexible on who you want to keep on your list as well. So for their base $29 per month, you can get up to 1,800 AI credits per month. And what this does is that it allows you to respond and reply to your comments and DMs autonomously, exactly in your brand voice. So what this includes is it includes advanced automation flows, comment to DM and story to DM, and much more. AI agents, AI targeting, replies, and AI comment. I will show you more about AI targeting later on, which can be very useful. A B2C CRM and lead capture CRM, a custom conversational AI chatbot that responds exactly like how you would and closes sales for you, brand protection, which hides negative comments for your brand, advanced analytics and insights, unlimited team member, and priority chat support, which you can talk and speak to a real human if you're having any problems with the software. And lastly, another amazing thing about Meet Alto is that they have a limited time offer for unlimited auto DMs for only $299 one-time fee. This unlocks unlimited auto to DM contacts for you. So let's say you're on Manychat's $29 a month plan and you're subscribed for 10 to 11 months. That already equals more than $299, right? And for just a one-time fee, you can get unlimited comment to DM that you can use technically forever on Meet Alto. So it saves you a bunch of money and a bunch of resources to allocate to other things as well. Now, let me show you how Meet Alto actually works. When you head into Meet Alto, and when you head into the dashboard, click on settings over here. And from settings, you can connect your social pages, especially your Instagram, with this section, Instagram section right here. But if you have a Facebook and Instagram page connected, you can connect it through the meta integration right here. So once you've connected your Instagram, head over to campaigns. This is your hub to create your comment to DM campaigns. So press create campaign. So Meet Alto has auto comment to DM, stories to DM, story mention reply, DM to DM, live to DM, or an AI DM agent, which sells and answers your customers' questions autonomously for you and also sends out email requests or even templates that people can click on as well. So it does all of this autonomously for you. So let's just head over to auto comment to DM right now. So Meet Alto is super simple and intuitive to use. So select a post. So this is where it gets really interesting. You can either select AI targeting or keyword matching. Keyword matching is your basic simple link or price, very similar to Manychat. But AI targeting, what this allows is that if you're on their paid plan, it allows you to describe a prompt, which the AI will go to your comment section and pick out which comment fits this prompt that you gave Meet Alto. So for example, you can say that target comments that are interested in my product and comments that mention price or pricing. For example, this is a very shallow prompt, but you can make it way more detailed. So what this will do is that the AI, Meet Alto, will go out and target exactly comments on your post, which are people interested in your product, or comments that mention price or pricing. So this is an amazing way to be really, really specific on who you target and DM, and not just target and DM any random person that comments a random word that doesn't relate to what you're offering. So once you've done that, press next. And this is where you'll configure your comment to DM campaign. So over here is your opening message right here. So for example, just write, hey, thanks for your comments. Want me to send you the link? Right, and then it'll populate right here for you to see. Once you've done that, configure your button text right here. And once you've done that, then configure and then they will get final message. So this is where you actually send out your resource, your ebook, your link to your website or your guide. So enter your website right here, then enter the button text, for example, shop now, and then it will show right here. You can add up to 3 buttons for different links, and then you can also add an A/B test and also add different variants and buttons as well for A/B testing. So once you're done with that, press next. And this is where you will configure your email collection step. You can also turn on public comment reply right here and add some variants so it doesn't sound all the same under each comment. So if you want to collect their email, press email collection and then configure your email message right here. So let's say you've typed in this message. Before I send a link, I'd love to stay in touch. Drop your email below to get the best bits. And you can also select a email retry message right here if the email is wrong or they sent another message that doesn't relate to any emails. And then this will be your flow right here. So you'll send your opening message, the person will click send me link, and then you will say, before I send a link, I'd love to stay in touch, drop your email below to get the best bits. They type in their email and then you finally get their link. And what this will do is that Meet Alto will automatically funnel this either into your list or your email providers right here. We also have Zapier if you don't see any email providers that you're using, so you can connect it via Zapier as well. Here is an overview of your flow that you will send to your audience. Super, super simple. And honestly, this is all you need to get to thousands and thousands of followers and even hundreds thousands of dollars in sales. Once you're done with that, press your overview and then press publish campaign, and then your campaign is good to go. What Meet Alto also offers is a CRM. So with the CRM, you can see who engaged with you. You can see their emails, their following, and also any context that you saved as well. And that is Meet Alto. So if you want to try it for free, you can try it for up to 1,000 contacts per month or 1,000 triggers. You can have an all-in-one social inbox, and you can connect up to one either Facebook or Instagram profile. There's free integrations, no Alto branding, and we also offer a priorities chat support, so you can contact us anytime about any software problems or any help setting up the campaigns as well. And if you're interested in the paid plan, it's $29 a month, starting with 2,500 contacts. But if you're interested in the unlimited Alto DMs, we're starting right now with $299, and we only will offer it to 200 members, and the price will increase to $399 in the future. So grab it while you can, try it out for free, and let us know what you think. And if you need any help, just contact support and our team will get back to you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.